In this video, I will show you how to send XRP from Crypto.com to Coinbase. To do this, just go and open up the Crypto.com app and click Accounts in the bottom. From here, go into your crypto wallet and just click on XRP. If you don't own any yet, just go and buy some, and then after you own some XRP, click on Transfer. Then after doing that, click on Withdraw, and then select an external wallet. Here click Add Wallet Address, and now here for the network, make sure it's set to XRP, and then for the other details, just go and open up Coinbase, and then on Coinbase, click Transfer, and then click Receive Crypto. From here, search for XRP, and select it. Now from here, you will get your address and a XRP memo. Now first go and copy the wallet address, which is at the top, and paste it in on Crypto.com in this section that says XRP address. Then here you can select if it is your wallet you're sending to or someone else's. If it's someone else's, enter their details here. Now for the wallet type, just click on Select Wallet Type, and here select Coinbase. Then click on Done. Now for the destination tag, go ahead and open up Coinbase again and just click on Copy on the XRP memo, and then back on Crypto.com. Simply paste in the tag or memo right here on the destination tag section. Then just give it a name such as XRP Coinbase and click Continue. Now here enter your passcode, and then it will be added as a withdrawal address. From here click Withdraw and click Confirm and Withdrawal. Now you simply need to choose how much you want to send. Now right now there is a minimum of 11 XRP. As you can see, I only have 5, so I don't have enough right now. But if you have the minimum, from there you can just go and enter how much you want to send. Then you will need to verify that it's you by entering a code in your authenticator if you have it set up, and a code sent to your email. And then after confirming it, it will then be on its way to your Coinbase account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.